नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय श्लोका 51 अशरीरगिरोक्तं यत् तत्किं साधनमुच्यताम् अनुष्ठेयं कथं तावत् प्रब्रुवन्तु सविस्तरम् अशरीरगिरोक्तं यत् Shariram means the body. Ashariram means someone who does not have any body, but we can hear Agiroktam. That means the voice. Yat means from the heaven, the Narada Muni heard the voice. That is the heavenly voice suggesting the like you will be meeting someone who will give you instructions on how to get back the consciousness of the two sons of Bhakti Devi, Jnana and Vairagya. So from that time onwards, Narada Muni is keep on going to different pilgrimage and to see if he can find the solution. Yat kim sadhanam uchyadam. Yat means these Sanat Kumaras, he is telling that maybe they have a solution. So, kim means why. Sadhanam. Sadhanam means the delay. Uchyadam means which is compared to the most apt solution for the consciousness that they are lacking. So, yat kim sadhanam uchyada means these Sanat Kumaras, Sanagan, Sanandan, Sanadanan, Sanat Kumaran, those are the four sons of Brahma who is waiting to give the solution. And Narada Muni is asking, why you are waiting this much time to give me solution? Please have mercy and get me the solution so that I can give the consciousness back to the sons of Bhakti Devi. Anushteyam kadham tavad. Anushteyam means in detail. Kadham, please tell. Tavad, you all four. Pabravandu savistaram. Vistaram means like in detail. Savitsaram means each and every point in detail, which means description should be in a way that I should not have any doubt. Asharira giroktam yat tat kim sadhanam uchyadam anushteyam kadam tavat prabruvandu savistaram. Please reveal to me the spiritual remedy suggested by the heavenly voice. May you kindly explain to me the details how I should adopt it in practice. Asharira giroktam yat tat kim sadhanam uchyadam anushteyam kadham tavat prabruvandu savistaram.